And the Rap Flourish draws for your lead. Moving a party outside Diamond Dane. Home run last, then comes Love or Money. Gaia comes next, Beauty Express second last, and trailing the group is NZ as they make their first turn and going to the 3/4 mile distance. Love or Money takes the lead over Flourish in second by the rail. Then racing in third is Diamond Dane. Another 2 lengths back in fourth comes Home Run last. Then moving up is Beauty Express, Gaia, and NZ is still in behind them. About to pass the last 900. Love or Money, Flourish, Diamond Dane moving up now on the outside to take the lead. Then closing in is Beauty Express, Gaia together with NZ and Home Run last as they race towards the last 600. Diamond Dane leading the field. Beauty Express closing in together with Gaia and NZ is on the outside as the action kicks to the last 450. Gaia, NZ, Beauty Express, Diamond Dane is by the rail. With the last 450 more to run, we have NZ, a long shot takes the lead. Then followed now by Gaia. Beauty Express is racing in third. Diamond Dane with 100 meters more to run. NZ leading the field. Gaia is by the rail. NZ, Gaia is by the rail. It's still NZ, Gaia, and finally Gaia, NZ. Beauty Express, then comes Diamond Dane, Home Run last, Flourish, and Love or Money.